Hi, I'm Josh Barber. I'm the EPA project manager for the Lower Darby Creek Area Superfund site, including the Clearview Landfill where we are today. And I'm here with my colleague from the US Geological Survey, Sandy Brosnahan. Sandy, could you tell us what's going on here today?
Sure, yeah. We are collecting drone imagery with a variety of sensors for contributing to the research being done here. We are using a LiDAR sensor, a multispectral sensor, and also structure for motion techniques to map this area. And so we'll create digital elevation models and a vegetation survey using those different sensors. All of this data will be used for long-term monitoring to see how the vegetation grows and changes over time, and also if there's any elevation differences, erosion, or different types of changes that happen.
Excellent. So I love working with Sandy and the USGS, and it's been a great benefit to us here as part of this cleanup and the overall Lower Darby site. There's much more that we're doing here that we're not talking about in this video, but we will go over it in future videos, so stay tuned.